Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 26. In a class there are 30 students. 18 play tennis and 16 play basketball. How is this possible if there are only 30 students? So as always, you can pause the video here on this slide and you can attempt to solve this yourself. So I'm going to go to the next slide now to look at the solution, and you have the choice of pausing your video right now. So let's have a look. In the class there are 18 students who play tennis, and there's a nice tennis racket with a ball. There are 16 students who play basketball, and there's a beautiful basketball. If you add 18 and 16 together, you get 34 students. However, there are only 30 in the class. So what does that actually mean? 18 play tennis, 16 play basketball. The total is 34. I wonder what that actually means. Have a think about it. And you'll soon find out. Because you have 4 extra over and above the 30, those 4 must play both sports. Because tennis, that's that circle there, so all the students in that circle, in that whole circle there, the total number, they play tennis. The students in that circle there, right through that circle, the total number play basketball. Because you have 34 students, which is 4 over and above the total number of students in the class, that means 4 students must play both sports. So here, right, that area there means that the students play both sports. B-O-T-H. They play both. So 4 students play tennis and basketball. So if we already have 4 students who play tennis, and altogether 18 play tennis, that means we must put 14 here. And that represents the 14 students who play tennis only, but they do not play basketball. Since we have 16 students who play basketball and we already have 4 here who play both, that means that must be 12. That is, 12 students only play basketball. But 12 plus 4 is 16. So if you add 14, the students who play tennis only, 4, the students who play both sports, and 12, the students who play basketball only, you get 30. So, the only possible answer to the problem on the previous slide is that some students play both sports. And that is the reason. So there's the 4, and that explains why the 16 and the 18 actually added up to 34. So that was a nice little problem, and I think if you thought about it enough, you probably could have solved that. I hope you enjoyed that problem.